Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2014 Chevy Equinox LT all-wheel drive, stock number Z7153A. 44,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Equinox brand new, summit white in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Equinox is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Hitch and wiring. And power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear, with additional storage cubbies on both sides, along with power outlet. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded Pioneer sound system, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Gauges with driver information system, cruise control. This Equinox has advanced safety features like lane departure warning, forward collision alert, set with buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora and Stitcher radio apps. And there's, of course, with the backup camera displays. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. Large glove box with all the owner's materials. Trimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and power liftgate control. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 20 miles to the gallon, and the city average of 29 on the highway. And approximately 50% of tire tread left. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ7153A to 662.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.